Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Kare as a biology teacher of class 10th. So dear student, chapter 8, how do organisms reproduce? So today's topic is gametogenesis. So dear student, let me start for gametogenesis. Gametogenesis, formation of gametes is known as the gametogenesis. Male gametes is pollen grain where a female gamete is present inside the ovary and ovary contain ovule. Formation of gametes is known as gametogenesis. Male gametes is pollen grains where a female gamete is present inside the ovary. Ovary contains the ovule. Ovule also consists of outer layer known as the intermeates the nucleus and the female gametophytes and male and female gametes are produced and they are haploid in nature. They are haploid in nature. There are two types of gametes, homogametes and heterogametes. There are two types of gametes, homogametes and heterogametes. When male and female gametes cannot be replicated morphologically, they are known as the homogametes. When male and female gametes cannot be differentiated morphologically, they are known as the homogametes. For example, gametes in the Callidophora and algae. When male and female gametes can be differentiated the morphological, it's known as the heterogametes. Post-fertilization events. Post-fertilization events. So post-fertilization events, the most important post-fertilization structure is embryo and seeds. Zygote form the embryo zygotes first. The most important post-fertilization structure is embryo and seeds. Zygote from the embryo zygotes first. Zygote first form the pre-embryo which later convert into mature embryo. Zygote first form the pre-embryo which the later events into the mature embryo. Seeds are the result of sexual reproduction. Seeds are the result of sexual reproduction. Ovules mature into the seeds where ovary develop into the fruits. Seeds where the ovary develops into fruits. Double fertilization. The next will be double fertilization. So double fertilization into flowering plants. One sperm fertilize the egg. Double fertilization in flowering plants. One sperm fertilization the egg cell where area the other sperm fuse with the two polar nuclei forming endosperm. In flowering plants, one sperm fertilizes the egg cell, whereas the other sperm fuse with the two polar nucleus, forming endosperm. This is known as the double fertilization, as two fertilization events are taking place. Zygote divides to form 7 cells and 8 nucleate embryo sac. This is the known as the double fertilization, as two fertilization events are taking place. Zygote divided to form 7 celled and 8 nucleate embryo sac. This is known as the double fertilization, as two fertilization events are taking place. Zygote divided to form 7 celled and 8 nucleate embryo sac. Out of these 7 cells and 8 nuclei, there are 2 syngrades with the egg cells, 3 antipodes and 2 polar nuclei are there. 2 polar nuclei fuse with one sperm and other sperm fuse with egg cell to form zygote. Out of these 7 celled and 8 nuclei, there are 2 Spinach with the egg cells, three antipodes and the two polar nuclei are there. Two polar nuclei fuse with one sperm and other sperm fuse with egg cell to form zygote. Look at this picture, antipoloids and polar nuclei, egg cells, nucleate, and second one the release of the sperm cell, and third one the zygote. To second one the doubles fertilization and endosperm. Reproduction in human beings. Reproduction in human being. The reproduction in human beings. The humans reproduce sexually when the girl and boy attain the puberty. Puberty is reproductively active, so there are occur the lots of the changes in their body. Human reproduction sexually when the girls and boys attain the puberty and reproductively active, there occur the lot of the changes in their body. Regions are common to both male and female. Girls have the increased breast size and darkening of the skin and tips of the nipple. So, etc. Some changes such as the thick, hairy facial growth, voice change occur in males. Of skin and tips of nipple, etc. Some of the changes such as the thick, hairy facial growth, voice changes occur in males. Male reproductive system. Male reproductive systems compares of a pair of testes glands, as sorry the duct, and the male genitalia. Testes is the sites where the male gametes or the germ cells are the produced. They are the located outside the abdominal cavity in a sac like the structure known as scrotum. This is the maintain the lower temperature required for the formation of sperm. Testes the produce the male hormones testosterone and needed for the development of the secondary sexual. This is a this is to maintain the lower temperature required for the formation of sperm. Testes produce the male hormones testosterone and needed for the development of secondary sexual. Characteristic in males such as the formation of breed and the muscles and also in the development of sperm. Because the difference is a duct that is the transport sperm to the urethra, which is the common passes for the both urine and the sperm ejaculation. Was the difference in a duct that the transport sperm to urethra, which is the common passes for the both urine and the sperm ejection. So dear student, tomorrow will be next step topic is start. Today's topic is complete. So dear student, I send you the PDF file for your the homework. So complete your work and send me. So dear students, thank you.